I'm Akanksha Bhattacharjee. I have finished my schooling from Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, Kolkata, and I am currently pursuing law in NUJS. My father is a professional sports cameraman and my mother is an entrepreneur. For me, law is something which is extremely powerful and it also entails a lot of responsibility. It is ubiquitous, it is present everywhere, maybe not in the same form. However, every single society is actually based in law. That is exactly why I want to pursue law. Also, my sister, who is currently a very successful lawyer, she inspired me to look at law as my goal. Yes, there is. Gender equality is an issue which I consider to be very close to my heart, and this is because in the Indian legal system, gender equality is not present as of yet. There's a lot of disguised inequality that is present right now. Starting with the laws themselves, they're not extremely gender neutral. The gender ratio of the judges or even the lawyers, it's skewed towards males, and as you go higher up in the hierarchy, it just gets worse. So this is something that I would like to pursue. I know changes are coming up, but I would like to expedite those changes. LSAT India has improved my critical reasoning skills 100%. Even though LSAT is not an examination which requires a lot of prerequisite knowledge or information, and it is mostly based in logic or based on logic, when I was studying for the test, I did actually feel that the way I'm looking at things, the way I'm looking at questions that require critical analysis, it's changing. I am able to perceive information which I would earlier consider not that important, and I am able to work out an answer by taking into consideration such information. So yes, the LSAT India preparation has improved my critical reasoning skills. My LSAT India experience has been pleasant for the most part. The examination itself was very well structured. The questions, they were completely based on logic. They did not require any prerequisite knowledge or information at all. And because it was based on logic and it was completely something that you had to figure out in the moment, it was very fun for me. There were certain distractions because the test stopped quite a number of times, but the technological support provided by LSAT India has been amazing, and extremely fast help was provided, which actually allowed us to get back to the test without losing much thought. In terms of preparatory support, the books that have been provided by LSAC India, they were extremely important, in my opinion, for preparation. That was actually the only resource that I consulted in addition to the mocks that I gave. If you're talking about technical support, then yes, that was also provided, and it was very, very fast, in fact. LSAT has hugely helped me pursue my dream of getting into law college, because the authorities realized very early on that there has to be a change in the way the exam is being conducted, and the fact that they made it an online examination and they announced the fact that it was going to be an online examination very early on, it gave us the right frame of mind. It gave us the ability, the time to prepare for the exam in a realistic way, and that has made all the difference. Also, deciding to take 2 tests instead of 1 has surely been a game changer because it just gives us double the opportunities, double the chances of getting into our dream college. So that has, of course, helped us. That has given us a little bit of certainty in this time of uncertainty. I am not a person who believes that change can be brought about by one person or even two people. I believe that it is a society that can bring about a change. I believe it is a community effort that helps bring about change. But if I were to speak about myself individually, I would not consider myself to be a person who is afraid to color beyond the lines. And yes, 100%, if it's an issue that I hold close to my heart, I will work to death on it. I will do everything in my power and beyond to ensure that no amount of injustice is being done. So if I were to speak for myself, yes, I do see myself as a change maker. And let's see what 5 years of law school does to me and how it molds me as a person and a lawyer.